Driving on Indonesian highways requires adherence to traffic regulations and specific considerations due to the country's unique traffic conditions. Here are some tips for driving on Indonesian highways. Familiarize yourself with traffic rules. Study and understand the local traffic rules and regulations in Indonesia. Be aware of speed limits, lane usage, overtaking rules, and other relevant traffic laws. Prepare your vehicle. Ensure that your vehicle is in good condition before embarking on a highway journey. Check the brakes, tires, headlights, and indicators to ensure they are functioning properly. Pay attention to toll roads. Most highways in Indonesia are toll roads, so be prepared to pay toll fees at toll gates. Keep small denominations of cash or an electronic payment card, such as a prepaid toll card, ready for toll payments. Maintain a safe speed. Observe the speed limits posted on the highways. Speed limits may vary, but the standard limit is 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, for cars and motorcycles. Use the right lane. On highways, keep to the left lane unless overtaking. The right lane is primarily for overtaking slower vehicles. After overtaking, move back to the left lane. Be cautious of motorcycles. Motorcycles are a common sight on Indonesian highways. Be cautious and aware of their presence. Give them enough space and be attentive when changing lanes. Use signals and check blind spots. Always use your indicators when changing lanes or making turns. Check your mirrors and blind spots to ensure there are no other vehicles before changing lanes. Maintain safe following distance. Keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you to allow for adequate braking distance. This helps prevent accidents and allows for better reaction time. Be mindful of pedestrians and animals. In some areas, you may encounter pedestrians or animals crossing or walking along the highway. Stay alert and be prepared to slow down or stop if necessary. Stay calm and patient. Indonesian highways can be busy and congested, especially during peak travel times. Maintain a calm and patient attitude to cope with traffic conditions and avoid aggressive driving behaviors. Remember, driving safely and responsibly is crucial to ensure your own safety and that of others on the road. Always follow the traffic rules and exercise caution while driving on Indonesian highways.